Good morning, Philippines. Mayong adlaw, Iloilo. We will now check our latest weather forecast here in the province of Iloilo. This is Mariela P. Barrialas with your latest weather update. Today we have an important alert for the residents of Iloilo province regarding the intense heat we are experiencing. Let's go over the details. As we move deeper into the summer season, Iloilo is facing an exceptionally hot spell. Today's temperatures are expected to soar 42 degrees Celsius with a real feel of up to 45 degrees due to high humidity levels. The current heat wave is being driven by a high pressure system that is trapping warm air over our region. This is not just uncomfortable, but can also be dangerous. We urge everyone to take necessary precautions. Boys and girls, remember to stay cool and drink lots of water. We'll keep you updated if anything changes. Have a great day and take care. This has been Mariela P. Briales reporting.